May 10, that's today. Oh, today, May 10. Happy birthday. Si Oni. May 5, oh, belated. 24, advance. Ikaw, Sai.
May 24.
May 24, advance, Sai. Happy birthday.
May 5.
May 5, belated. Ikaw, sis.
May 14.
May 14, belated. Ikaw, Lex.
May 26.
May 26, kantahan sa nato sila og happy birthday! Luski, maestro! Sayaw birthday celebrant! Sayaw maestro! In behalf sa ato ang mahigay and of course Central Visayas family, we greet you a very very happy birthday. Happy birthday! Blow the cake! Uy, naay kandelo. Wala mo ano? Lighter. Happy birthday! Grabe. Surprising ka inyo ha mga celebration ba? Okay, mga igsoon, mag-ampo ta. Ay invited man ta nila sa ilahang birthday.